Bonafide Hustler here, and I think we're gonna go hit up 2 garage sales this Friday morning, so let's go check it out. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the outside of my house. And I think we're gonna go check out 2 garage sales, maybe a couple thrift stores. I don't know yet. All I know is that my brother called me this morning and was like, hey, let's go get some garage. I was about to go work out and he was like, let's go garage sales. I'm like, all right, cool. He's dead set. Hey! There's my neighbor. Anyways, he's dead set on going to garage sales, at least 2 of them, so I'm gonna go check it out. Where are you, E-Money? Where are you? You're late. E-Money!
Ready?
There's my neighbor. Oh, he flipped me off. Oh.
Yeah, can you put it on?
Dude, what? I have to put on your stupid antenna? What kind of janky car is this? Aw, E-Money, listening to good stuff. E-Money and I are laughing because my workout channel, the other one, is, you know, it's getting some steam. And my demographic that's watching that channel is kind of funny. Like, if you look at my analytics, it's like, I want to say, what was the first country? Okay, I think the first country is maybe Philippines. The second country is
India?
India, yeah, that's what it is. Okay, like I think India is the first one, then Philippines, and then USA. And
that was
then,
like Nigeria.
And then like Nigeria and Kenya. It's the weirdest thing. Anyway, so it's kind of funny because the comments come in and it's like broken English, and just the way that the sentence is formed is semi-comical. So, but I know what their issue is, and so I make videos on future Boddamn videos that address those issues. But it's just when the comments come in, it just the way that they're formed is kind of funny. So he's like laughing at it because he texted me a picture of one of them this morning. Anyways, where are we going right now?
Going into the church.
Church garage sale?
Yeah, we're saying our prayers for cheddar.
Yep.
Cheddar prayers.
We're gonna give our offerings to Saint Ched. We're gonna get baptized by Saint Ched.
Go into the chapel and we're gonna make cheddar.
Oh God. Oh, it's over there. It's in that. It's in the gymnasium. Tons of them. Let's see. Ooh, cool. They got good clothing too. Yo, right here. Look at these bags. Laser challenge. Yeah, we made our pass, but we didn't find anything, so I'm gonna make another pass. So I found 2 things on the second pass. Oh, my head itches. Ow. Okay, I found 2 things on the second pass. One was this Johnson Murphy leather bag right here. Bags to bucks. Oh, hitting again. You know, this is probably like a $100 bag. All right. Anyways, it's a shoulder bag. Pretty awesome. Great condition. Really tough leather. So that was 3. I'll try to convert this into 100. And then the real, I think, winner here is this $10 frame. This Haro vintage frame. Retro frame. Not vintage. Retro frame. The fork. Look at this Answer Pro fork. So cool. Anyways, this is definitely worth more than 10 bucks. This is a TBD, but I know this frame with a box rear triangle, and the dropouts are real strength, and this is like real BMX type stuff here. So I don't know, this is TBD what we're gonna make on this, but it's gonna be pretty good money for sure. All right, so doing some more research, and I think I located the exact fork that I have, and then my money was on that fork. When I saw it, I was like, ooh, I know that the money is in this one. So this is this is a vintage 1990s Answer BMX Pro Racing fork right here. That one was sold on eBay for $400, that fork. That's the fork that we have in the back of the car right now. So as long as that fork appears good, I have to take a closer look into it, but I know that fork was worth some good money. So I'll be right around that price because there's no other ones on Craigslist. I mean, there's no other ones on eBay, so I'll be very close to that price if I decide to put it up on eBay. So pretty awesome. All right, so I am researching the frame now, and the frame is actually a 1996 or a 1997 Haro Monocue. It's basically a BMX racing frame. Of course, I could tell that just from the rear triangle. But there are 2 sold on eBay right now, And one sold for $335, which was the best offer, so maybe around $299. But the other one sold for $299 with $40 shipping. So, and we have a yellow variant. So there's a silver one, a red one, and we have a yellow one. So, you know, I don't know. I'd be happy with $300 or more, and we'll see. It really depends. I gotta check it for cracks and all kinds of stuff. But I think the people that are going to get into that are going to understand that it's used, that it's going to maybe not need work, but it's going to need everything else that it needs. I'm going to sell the fork, of course, separately, more than likely. And yeah, our very first garage sale turned out to be, or our very first church garage sale turned out to be pretty good. So that's awesome. Look for that kind of stuff. Vintage BMX stuff is just awesome. I've always made some huge profits on vintage BMX, but you have to know what you're looking at. So anyways, pretty cool stuff. And that's not even like super vintage either. That's not in the 80s. That's still like retro BMX, I guess, you know. 1996, 1997 is hardly vintage, but I think they all say it. When you make an eBay listing, they all put vintage in there and stuff like that. So anyways, but true vintage BMX to me is the 80s. All right, so we are heading down the freeway. Massive Friday traffic, by the way. But what do you expect? We're gonna be at another garage sale here pretty soon, and then after that, I don't know where the day's gonna take us. But... All right, you guys ready to play a guessing game? Comment below. Where does this line come from?
First things first, where's my money?
Do you guys know it? Figure it out. What movie? E-money, this looks so bad. We're passing it by.
Dude, we're right here.
Well, you're gonna go out. Don't buy a toaster or anything, E-money.
I actually need a toaster.
So
I might get it.
Go buy a toaster then. I'll stay here, and I'm gonna plan out the next one if we can find one. Ding dong. Get out of here. Take a guess here before he gets into the car, okay? Is E-money more of a Pop-Tart kind of guy, or is he more of a toaster strudel kind of guy? I actually don't know the answer to that question. So let me know what you think below. Comment first, and let's see what he says. I'll ask him that question. All right, E-money came back in the car. No toaster?
No, a toaster had cobwebs in it and everything. But they did have an interesting cuckoo clock that I almost got, but...
How much was it?
I didn't want it because it had 2 pieces missing.
Who cares? People rebuild those things all the time. They don't care.
No, it had like 3 things missing on it.
Like what? The cuckoo, the clock, and the box?
Yes. No, it was like a 2 movement, but the second movement was incomplete.
Okay, anyway.
Which makes it a single movement, which is basically the cuckoo doesn't work and the box isn't there.
Okay. So, looks like a lot of things are going cuckoo with E-money's story here. All right, E-money.
Yes.
I have a question, and they've all guessed the answer. By now, you should have guessed. Is E-money more of a toaster strudel guy, or is he more of a Pop-Tart kind of guy? Which one? What's better? Which one would you pick?
Neither.
You have to pick one because you were going in for a toaster. And so I was asking them, like, are you a toaster strudel kind of guy, or are you a Pop-Tart?
I've only had one toaster strudel in my entire life.
That doesn't answer my question.
Pop-Tarts then.
Okay, fine. Gosh, E-money. You like just goes with quantity. Like, well, I've had 3 Pop-Tarts in my life and 1 toaster strudel, so therefore
so it means
I like Pop-Tarts more. Quantity, man.
Quantity.
It's quality. No, it's quality.
It's quantity over toaster strudel.
No, it's quality over quantity, E-money. You probably had 1 amazing toaster strudel and 3 terrible Pop-Tarts. That's what you had, dude. All right, we're at a Goodwill, but this Goodwill isn't open quite yet. There's just someone inside that came outside because someone overnight deposited all their donation stuff like right there. And there's a lot behind this like pillar thing. There's like just mounds of donation stuff.
What's that camo thing? Is that an awning?
Man, no, I don't know what that is. That's so terrible. I mean, gosh, just wait for the next day and then go to the actual donation drop-off zone where there are actual workers there that are going to help sort this stuff. They just piled it right there. That's terrible. Interesting. I might have to get these. We'll see. I'll look into them. I have to work on jumping over my haters. Sweet, there's an Oakley bag here. Hey, sweet. It's a little bit tactical-ish. It's got some aluminum accents. This could be good. Possible. I'm gonna look this one up. Yeah, it could be good. We'll see. Not too bad. These little frilly things. There's a hole down here though. Yeah, I'll pass on that.
Get it first.
What'd you get?
Let me get it first.
Oh my gosh. What's wrong with you? Alright, this is what I got. I got those strange shoes right here. But the funny thing is, I hardly ever come across these in decent saleable condition. So I did not put these in shoes to bucks. I know they're profitable, but the market is kind of thin, so I finally found a really good pair of them right here, and I'm gonna try to shoot for 75 to 80 bucks. I spent 13 out the door for them. So yeah, they're not in shoes to bucks because I wanted to make sure that the stuff that's in that guide is tried and tested stuff, you know. So I gotta keep testing this. Maybe it'll make it in the shoes to bucks 2.0 version. But yeah, shoes to bucks comes out Monday. There's gonna be a special deal. I haven't decided if I'm gonna do a 2-day special or a 3-day special, but it's gonna be low and it's gonna be good enough to get into the guide. And I'm telling you, this guide will make you some serious money. So that's coming out Monday next week. What did you get? Any money?
I got this joystick by Logitech, so I can get myself to Miramar and fly against the most elite wingmen in my pack. So this one's gonna get me about 45 bucks.
Yeah?
Actually, for 38.
Is there a chance that there's a black Tacoma that will come upside down to us like this and then flick us off today?
No. But I do know one trick.
What's that?
Watch the birdie. Watch the birdie.
All right, so we're gonna cut this day, or at least the sourcing part of this day, a little short. Get some TLP. I know we're at TLP for sure. So let's go to that. Let's get in here. Is this place any good?
Horrible, don't come here. That's Metal Man Adam right there.
All right.
Madam Adam.
I totally forgot to show the tacos. They're so good. All right, we're almost out of here. All right, so sorry I didn't show you guys the tacos. I was so hungry. Oh, now it's time to go work out though. See what else I can get into the rest of the day. I was back at the house, and E-Money is actually going to sell one of the bags that we found the other day. Well, you're going to attempt to sell it, but it should sell.
Yeah,
it's definitely priced to under market purposely, and should be able to sell it pretty quick. So yeah, one of the bags going for exactly what we said it was going to sell for. So yeah, we're going to sell that bag and get that out of there. I'm going to go work out. All right, so I'm back at home from the workout, from doing a couple other things. Smoothie time, meditation time, that kind of stuff. Oh, it's cheddar weather, isn't it? Actually, it's about to be meditation weather. So I'm gonna go meditate right here in my room. Got a fan on, feels good. And I'm gonna do a 10-minute meditation. And after that, I'm gonna definitely tackle some things that are reselling related. Got a lot of things to list, you know. I always try to list a lot, especially as the weekend starts to evolve. That's one of the things I have to do directly after I do this. All right, done with my meditation. Listen to some free Sirius satellite. Anyways, so E-Money's here. I just got done with my meditation. E-Money's here. What's up, man?
Because you're always meditating.
Well, yeah. What's up?
What were you meditating about?
Cheddar.
Oh, yay!
Did it come to life?
Yeah, cheddar came to life.
Yes. Another bag sold?
Another bag sold.
Yes.
Oh, guess what? Bags to bucks.
Bags to bucks. All right, cool. Which one was it this time? Orange?
The yellow one?
Oh, the yellow one?
Yeah.
Cool. Nice.
One left.
Yeah, one left from that haul. Sweet.
All right.
Yeah, so I can take my cut. Cool. We'll figure that out here in 1 second. Actually, what I'm going to do right now is work on something that's bod name related for 45 minutes. I'm going to do a high concentration 45 minutes. I was about to start it, but E-Money like knocked on my door, screwed it all up. So I'm going to do 45 minutes, cell phone in the other room, headphones on, nothing else. And that's what I'm going to do. And then after that, I'm going to follow it up with a shoes to bucks 45 minutes. And that's something that's going to have to go down. Then I have to do a picture taken of the bike, the fork, and I think listing for 45 minutes. Yeah. So 3 45-minute blocks today with about 10 or 15-minute downtime in between. Okay, I just got done with my 45-minute block. I was able to get one video edited for the Boddamn channel and completely optimized on the back end. It won't even hit my channel for like the next 2 weeks, but still, that's how far ahead I'm working with. So I have 2 things now. I'm switching into eBay mode now. 2 things to ship out today. One sold like 30 minutes ago. It's a camcorder sold for 50 bucks and more than likely around $5 or $6 into something like that. I also sold, I have a drone called a DJI Mavic Pro. It's a folding drone, it's real small. And it came with a shoulder bag, right? But I didn't care about the shoulder bag because I have all these other camera bags and stuff. So the shoulder bag sold for around 37 bucks. So that was cool. Basically lowered the cost of the drone to me. And yeah, I mean, it just came with a shoulder bag. I put the shoulder bag on eBay. Someone bought it. So we get those two things boxed up real quick, and then I'm going to stay kind of like an eBay slash local selling mode. And then from that mode, I'll switch. I need to do the eBay one now because the mailman's still in the neighborhood and I can probably catch that person. So let's do it. I took those things to the mailman. I'm gonna refresh all of my local stuff, and I'm going to work on a couple listings for eBay. The reason is I gotta get this vlog out to you guys so you guys can feel inspired by the cheddar, you know, go make some money tomorrow. I wanna make sure that this thing gets to your hands like right now. So if everything goes right as well, on Monday, the shoe guide is going to launch, all right? There's gonna be a special discount. I can't decide if it's gonna be 2 or 3 days long, but either way, I believe Monday, if everything goes right, and all the files are good, and I can get 2 versions out, right? One's gonna be a full res version, which is very hard to download, and the other one will be a compressed resolution download version, which is typically much easier. But those will both be available once you buy the guide. So if everything goes right, Monday morning should be available. But guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here because it's at least another hour of editing to get this thing out to you guys. I hope you had a fun time. I can't believe this morning we found some really cool stuff. I can't wait to get this stuff to market. But I'll see you in the next Bonafide Hustler, Hotshot, or Thrift Run, or Day in the Life. Hit the like button. See you later. Goodbye!